Yes, we've had a lot of work. Closed seasons led us to do a lot of refurbishment work at the existing clubhouse. A lot of the volunteers of the club have worked hard over the closed season, so we're really excited about that. New bar, new lounge, new other facilities, which I'm not going to talk about. But also very excited to get our planning application approved for our extension, which will be a large gym, more changing facilities and an alternative bar venue as well. So yeah, we now need to think about how we're going to finance that over the next couple of years, but very exciting time for the club, and obviously delighted to be back up in London Division 1 and looking forward to some cracking rugby games.
So a couple of questions there. How do you go about funding something like that?
Well, as a club, we don't have a rich benefactor, and we certainly don't have a main sponsor. We rely on the goodwill of a lot of local small businesses who sponsor us from time to time. So that's obviously one route. We'll look at grant funding. The RFU may be able to help us, and certainly Essex County Rugby Football Union are very good at helping us with funding opportunities. But I think it's going to be a big job, particularly in the existing, the financial climate we find ourselves in. So yeah, big job for the committee and the club in general.
But it must encourage you, talking about sponsors, that around the pitch we see, a lot of sponsor signs, and that must help the image.
Absolutely, and yeah, we are very lucky, as I say. We rely on the goodwill of a number of small local sponsors, and they keep us with us year after year. And actually, our sponsorship base has grown recently, which is good to hear. And of course, as we go up the leagues, it's cost us more to finance our rugby activities, which obviously needs to be in the forefront of our mind.
Every football team we spoke to in the borough at pre-season said just want to avoid relegation. But what are your hopes this season?
Well, certainly we're looking to stabilise our position. Mid-table is certainly doable, I think. But with the squad we've got, I think we could also push for promotion, given a good start. We've recruited a couple of players which will strengthen the squad, and we've got a good squad of youngsters who have come through our youth and Colts route. So yeah, very optimistic. But our target is mid-table stabilisation, then perhaps go for promotion to National Division next season.
So, and again off the pitch, how does it operate? The hard work you have to put regarding funding, etc. Is it weekly meetings, and how do you work there?
Well, we have a main committee which oversees the running of the club, and then we have subcommittees that specifically look at particular projects. So the extension project has a subcommittee that's looked after the initial design and the planning stage, and will now turn its attention to try and identify funding opportunities and funding streams. And very much the same for other things. We have a grounds committee, for example, that ensure the investment in the pitches and the other facilities are done appropriately.